solve 60x cube minus 49x square plus 4 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x square term. What I mean is, see, 60x cube in place of minus 49x square. Now I write minus 24x square minus 25x square plus 4 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 12x square. So from this 12x square out you get 5x, minus from this 12x square out you get 2. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 1. So here you get 25x square and here you get minus 4 equal to 0. Now this quadratic I will simplify it here. That is 25x square minus 4 equal to, in place of 25 I write 5 square x square minus in place of 4 2 square. So 5 square x square is nothing but 5x whole square minus 2 square. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have 5x, in place of b 2. So we get 5x minus 2 times 5x plus 2. So in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation now becomes 12x square 5x minus 2 minus 1, in place of this one, 5x minus 2 times 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Next, from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 5x minus 2. So 5x minus 2 outside. Over here we are left with this 12x square, and over here we are left with this, that is minus 1 times 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Now 5x minus 2, 12x square. Now you should open up the brackets. We get minus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Now this quadratic I will simplify it here, that is 12x square minus 5x minus 2. To simplify this, to factorize this, we should split the middle term minus 5x. In place of minus 5x, now I write minus 8x plus 3x minus 2. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 4x. So here you get 3x minus from this 4x out you get 2. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this 3x gone inside, so outside you get plus 1. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 3x minus 2 common. So here you have 4x and here plus 1. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 5x minus 2, in place of this one, 3x minus 2, 4x plus 1 equal to 0. More, here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 5x minus 2 equal to 0, 3x minus 2 equal to 0, 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, we should remove minus 2, so add 2. We get 5x equal to 2. Now we should remove 5, so divide by 5. We get x equal to 2 by 5. Now here we should remove minus 2, so add 2. We get 3x equal to 2. Now we should remove 3, so divide by 3. We get x equal to 2 by 3. Now here we should remove plus 1, so subtract 1. We get 4x equal to minus 1. Now we should remove 4, so divide by 4. We get x equal to minus 1 by 4. So the x values that we got are 2 by 5, 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 4. This is our answer.